Hello, everybody. My name is Veronica from Veronica's Fashion Treasures. I am a paparazzi independent consultant. My consultant ID is 302510. And today I am here to talk to you a little bit about this feature that Facebook groups have, which is called the topics, okay? So I am going to show you how to turn them on, how to create them, and basically how to use them in a couple tips, okay? So you probably wonder, what is that? And why I need to know about that? How is that going to help me? Why I need that in my life, right? So this is the answer. So topics allows you to have a better way to organize your post, okay? You want to have things pretty neat and organized for your members, right? So it also makes it very easier for members to find things, right? Especially if you like me and have a selling group, okay? You want those customers to come and have a awesome shopping experience, right? To go and find the items they are looking for. Okay, so I'm gonna be switching screens from this one to my actual Facebook group, so you guys can see what I'm talking about and go through it on how to use them. Okay, let's go to my Facebook group and I'm gonna show you actually what it is. Okay, so this screen, that portion there where it says popular topics, is what the customer or your member is gonna see, right? So as you can see, I have a couple there that are showing, which say the popular topics. So I'm is the ones that I use the most, that I've been using the most, right? So if I click in that inspirational one, for example, it's gonna pop up with all the posts that I add to the inspirational topic, right? So you can see pretty neat. You can see everything related to inspirational, okay? Pretty neat, right? So before I start going in deep and showing you how to do things, I'm gonna tell you that you need to have a laptop or desktop. So you actually need to be on a laptop or desktop to turn on this feature, okay? Basically, you go to edit the settings of the group, okay? Let me show you. So on a desktop or laptop, you're gonna go to what it says more on your group page, right? On your group page, on your Facebook group, I'm sorry. And once you click more, you're gonna see that second option there that says edit group settings, right? You're gonna click there and it's gonna pop up with another page with a bunch of settings that you can change, right? So you wanna look for this one that says post topics, okay? And you're gonna check that box, okay? Once you check that box, make sure you click save, okay? If you don't click save, you're never gonna see the topics feature, okay? So make sure you do that, okay? All right, we got that done. Let's go back to this page. And the way we're gonna do this is, in this particular case, I upload this one for training purposes, but I also have it in my group. But just to show you how to actually create or add it to a topic, we're just gonna go through those to click on those three dots right there. Click on the dots and you see that third option there says add post topic, okay? We're gonna click there and it's gonna show you the ones I already have. I've been playing with this feature, so I add a bunch of topics there. Some of them I'm not even using them yet. So let's say this is not inspirational, this is something else, and we want to name it necklace, right? So we're gonna go to create at the top right, and that's where you can say necklace, right? Let's just say necklace here. Necklace. And done. And there you go. So that assign, if you can see there where it said necklace at the bottom of that picture. So that is assigned to the necklace topic, okay? But I don't want it there. So let's go to the three dots again. But let's first see if we can find it here in the necklace, because we assign it to the necklace, right? So let's go see old all the topics, and you're gonna look for the necklace right here, necklace. So let's click there. It's right there. We just did it, right? Let's go back to the post, and we're just gonna assign that. Let's go through the three dots again. Let's go and edit post topic, and we're just gonna change it to the inspirational. Matter of fact, we're gonna do new releases because we still have that one on the way. So let's just do new releases, and let's go apply. So a good feature, this is a good thing because you can go back and change the topic. Okay, so I put it in new releases this time. Once they arrive, I can change it to what the topic that say inspirational. Okay, so new releases right there. If I go, let's find the new releases tab right here. It should be right there. There you go, right there. So let me show you another option. I think I already add this one, but you can also add albums. So three dots. Okay, edit post, and I already put it in releases, new releases. So the album, just click apply, and let's go back to the new releases, and it's gonna show there the post that we assigned, which is the necklace, and there's the album as well. So you see, it is very neat, right? So all my new releases are here in this tab. Okay, let me show you something else. If by any reason your customer or you click that X there where it says popular topics, and they click that X right there and then remove that portion there, you go up here. There you go. So announcement, watch party, photos, files, keep going, scrolling to the right, and you see it right there, topics. If you click on it, you're going to see the topics. Okay, let's go back, and I'm going to show you another thing that is very useful with these topics, like on the page or even in the group in the Facebook group, you can pin just one post, right? Pin to the top, one post, right? So this is what I did. I actually created a new members topic, right? As you can see it right there, new members topic. And if you click there, well, if I click there, I'm going to put all the new the topics that I want the new members to see. I have my loyalty card, I have how they can shop, I have my website, I have my how they can subscribe to my text alerts. I have all the items, the posts that I want them to read, right? How to shop with me, how to find me, etc., right? So once I do that, so that's there. So any new member can go there and click new member and find everything right there. Fine. But let's say that I want that to be the first post that they can see, right? Like I did right here. Hey everyone, welcome to my Jewelry Lovers VIP group, right? So if you will click the link below to read more. So if you click there, all the new members posts are gonna show. So everything is in one spot. So the only thing that you have to do is pin to the top just that post. Just one post pinned to the top, and every information for the new members are gonna be there. But how you do this? Okay, so let's go back here again. And right here, ladies, and on your desktop again, ladies and gentlemen, okay, I'm sorry, I don't want to just say ladies. Go back here on the desktop on your laptop, right? On the right side, you're going to find all your topics already, right? So you're just going to right click on the one that you want to post, right? That link, and you're going to click copy link, right? And once you do that, you go back right here, and that's what I did. I just pasted right there, that link. So I put the post and I paste that link. Once the new member click that link right there, ba-bam, it shows them all the new member topics. Is that new feature? Very neat, right? Very neat. So ladies, and gentlemen, I hope this was very helpful. And I hope this helps you organizing your better and allowing your members to have a better shopping experience and to find the items really quick. Okay, so I encourage you to, if you want, do more research on it or try it. Just try it. I just got some feedback from some of my customers saying that they love it because they can go straight to what they're looking for, and find them. Okay. So I hope this was helpful again. And I'll see you next time. You can always find me at Veronica's Fashion Treasure on Facebook, Veronica's Fashion Treasures 5 and Instagram. You can find me in many social medias around as Veronica's Fashion Treasures, such as Pinterest, MeWe, etc. So I hope you have a good night. Thank you for watching this training. Bye bye.